Amazon KDP keywords are absolutely worthless. But let me explain why, because quite a few of you have this belief the right keyword's going to unlock the riches to Kindle Direct Publishing. The game has changed, folks, considerably over the past 15 years since the launch of KDP, so you can't rely on the same old information about the value of keywords on the Amazon Marketplace. What are keywords anyway? In my 5-time award-winning book, Amazon Keywords for Books, I share how keywords are the bridge connecting a customer to a potential outcome or product. When you want to learn more about something, you open a browser, type into the search window what you believe you want to find, and the search engine scrapes online options for the best fit. Deeper insights reveal more complexity when it comes to how a search engine finds what it does. For now, just know a keyword is how a customer tries to find something. And it's not simply limited to a single word, but can be a string of words describing what a browsing customer searches. For instance, workout is a single keyword, but when you drill down further based on a customer's needs, it could be home workout plan for seniors. Both are keywords. But the very first single keyword term is very broad. That'll bring back a mess of selections the customer has to sift through. Whereas with a more specific keyword phrase like home workout plan for seniors, it's very specific, narrowing down the search and giving a more precise curated selection to the customer. Also known as long-tail keywords, these keyword phrases are made up of 2 or more words, and they serve your books the best. Now, do keywords sell books though? No, not really. Technically, keywords are a way to sort your product on the Amazon Marketplace. You could have the right keywords, but the wrong elements in place. For instance, if you had a bad cover, poor description, or lack of book reviews, few customers will want to buy your book. Being more discoverable is only going to spotlight inadequacies in your cover and description. So right away, keywords are completely worthless if those 3 items are completely off. Where are the best places for the keywords? Well, generally speaking, you're going to find great real estate in the title, subtitle, and the series name. Now, of course, we have those 7 back-end keywords, the thing that is the black box of this business. We're really not 100% certain how valuable it is, but for now, we got to at least treat it like it's valuable real estate. And just to be certain, those are the main ones. Then you have other areas like the book description. Author Central also has editorial review section where you can also add in a separate author bio. By the way, great place to put keyword-rich biography that's different from your normal biography. And there's also A+ content. Now, I learned in the Amazon Advertising Certification courses that text and image-based posts aid in discoverability of a product page because it indexes the keywords used. It's also a great way to create a more robust and unique product page that'll differentiate your work from the rest of the pack. But that's a whole other video right there. What keywords should you be using then? Should you focus on the algorithm or should you focus on humans? Now, I'm going to tell you that short-term thinking means going after the algorithm. What's hot? What's the most profitable thing? What's the area that I can probably get the most sales? Yes, that's great to analyze the market, but if you're starting to play towards an algorithm and you're saying, oh, that's profitable, but that specific keyword is not related to your book or it's loosely related to it, then it's a complete waste of time. Maybe you'll get a short-term bump in sales, maybe not. The long-term person focuses on customers. Think about the keywords you're going to use that customers are actually searching for, because that is where the money is at. Why? The Amazon search engine and website relies on sophisticated mathematical formulas called algorithms that predict positive outcomes based on customer interactions. What is the most positive customer metric, you might ask? Sales, of course. I'm not saying you should use any keywords willy-nilly because they don't matter. What I am saying is you should be selective with your keywords so you draw in the right audience and hopefully sell more books. That way, it boosts your relevancy in the Amazon algorithms, which leads me to relevancy. Now, relevancy is the measure of the accuracy of the relationship between the search query and the search results. Simply put, it's like an internal rating system the algorithms concoct that are ever-changing and improving for every customer. The more customers interact on the Amazon platform, the more refined the system gets at recommending and serving products the customer is most likely to buy. That begs the question, Why does relevancy influence discoverability? The more sales your book gets, the more likely the Amazon algorithms will deem your product worthy in its internal relevancy metric system, or whatever they might call it. Obviously, the less sales you have, the less the algorithms will see your product as relevant to your selected keywords. But none of your keywords matter if your product page isn't getting any traffic or converting sales. That's the biggest takeaway here, folks. You cannot expect Amazon to serve your book on a platter for their partygoers if you're only throwing a one-man party, or worse yet, a party with only your mom and the crazy cat lady who lives next door to you. That's not going to work, folks. They want an audience of paying customers who are genuinely interested in reading your type of content and consistently buying your books. Why? Well, KDP actually tells you precisely why. Along with factors like sales history and Amazon bestsellers rank, relevant keywords can boost your placement and search results on the Amazon store. The Amazon bestseller rank, or ABSR, is how your product performs in comparison to other products in your categories. The closer your book is to number one, the more sales it requires. The farther your book is from the number one slot, well, the less sales you get. And if you're not familiar, the Amazon bestseller rank is influenced two ways. One, the sales. And two, a checkout of a KDP Select Enrolled ebook. There's literally no other way. You either sell more books and or get more checkouts through Kindle Unlimited to influence your rank. So how do you increase sales and build that algorithmic relevancy? That way your KDP keywords aren't worthless. Well, think about a couple of these specific strategies. I'm going to start it out with an email list with a reader magnet. Now, an email list is an author's lifeline, and every author should have one today. It's your insurance policy in case you got deplatformed. Then you can take your audience with you. A simple call to action in one of your books to subscribe to your email newsletter, or whatever sexy name you have that sounds much better than that bland term, then they subscribe. But sometimes your readers will be reluctant. After all, what's in it for them? That's where Reader Magnet comes in. Create an enticing offer they can't refuse, like a short story, novella, downloadable report, or infographic. It doesn't matter. Just don't overthink it. Just put yourself into your ideal reader's shoes and what they might want the most that'll serve as a great companion to any of your other books. The whole point is to leverage your email list to get more sales on launch and on your backlog of books. By the way, my preferred email marketing platform is MailerLite, since they provide a free account of up to 1,000 subscribers. By the time you hit that many, you should be able to afford the upgrade. Visit my affiliate link at dalelinks.com/MailerLite to set up your free account right away. Now, another way to increase sales and relevancy is through author collaborations, such as newsletter swaps and group promos. Now, collaborations work the best in cross-promoting your books with similar audiences. Also, it builds relevancy for your book in your shared niche. If you're not aware, there's a nifty recommendation system Amazon has that's called Also Bought. Typically, it'll appear as a carousel with the title Customers Also Bought, where Amazon displays other books customers bought along with the current book or product. On print book pages, you'll see frequently bought together. When doing author collaborations like newsletter swaps or group promos, you're training the Amazon algorithm to serve up your title among other titles that are just like yours. Just be selective about who you do newsletter swaps with or group promos with. You don't want to collab with an unrelated niche. It merely confuses the Amazon algorithm. And yet, another way to increase sales and build relevancy in your keywords is paid services. I know, I hate it. I hate saying it's pay to play, but have money will travel. That's not to say you can't still lose money on advertising, because it's awful easy to do without research, trial, and error. However, it does give you an advantage over those that don't do it. Now, Amazon ads is probably the biggest, quickest solution for me to kind of share here right now. You're at least getting some eyeballs on your product page when doing Amazon ads, even if it's not converting to sales. Even if you don't turn a profit initially, save yourself a lot of time and heartache and take their free courses available in the top right of your ads dashboard under the question mark. Take as many of those courses as you can and watch any webinar replays. When you want the best fundamental understanding of a platform, go to the source. There are, of course, many other paid promotional options like BookBub, Written Word Media's book promotion services, BookDoggy, Fiverr, and more like that. Those can work, and I do have a full list of resources with free and premium promo listings at dalelinks.com/bookpromos. If you're cash-strapped, consider sifting through those lists for free book promotions till you can afford the premium options. Something is better than nothing. All that to say, keywords are useful, but simply taken for face value alone, of course, they're going to be worthless. You need to build enough relevance in your keywords to see the true payoff. Then you'll have keywords that count. I talk more about it in Amazon Keywords for Books on audiobook. Go listen to the full audiobook now, available on the Self-Publishing with Dale podcast channel. I'll see you on over there.